that feel? Playing it. And that's what you did out there and it worked?
You want to play with the other guitar?
I want to listen to this in the track
Okay.
and then see.
Yeah.
This, I think, this seems to be working really well on all the other
Just
stuff.
livens it up.
Livens it up! Ready?
Yeah.
You remember?